Yeah, Mike, you hard.
Oh shit, I almost fell already. Man, it's really snowing in the 8. Look at this shit. Gonna give y'all a little cold start. Damn. It look dark as fuck in there. Goddamn. Oh shit. It's my first time in my car with some snow. Damn. Let's see what it bitch sound like. First time it has snowed in who knows how long, but I'm finna give y'all a little POV drive. I got my sister with me.
But your tires should be good.
And I'm all-wheel drive. Yeah. I know my mom been watching. I gotta run my window. Nah, this shit is thick though. You eating that shit?
Huh? But what the hell, boy?
Shit, she talking about it taste good. Spinning. I want to see you drive it.
People tracks, boy.
For real? Nah.
I think so because it's already done loosened up. Because once you get in your own track.
My sister with the bitch. See what she talking about. That bitch floating. No, my mama, she look good. Yeah, hell yeah. Ain't no way it's snowing like this in the A. For real. getting sideways. I'm gonna go that way. I spin a bit in the whole intersection. You said go ahead? No, I'm not. That shit is tempting though. That seatbelt shit finna go off, y'all boys just chill. Damn.
Did I spin it?
Show them boys how to drive that motherfucker for a downshift. Oh, oh, oh. Damn, this shit made me want a rear wheel drive car. Like, this shit getting sideways.
Yeah, my young nigga trippin', they sliding the bar, 4 sticks in the SRT. Got spank on my right, gon' up that Drake, just took it down for the RP. I'm a real young nigga, I ain't going out bad every time I'ma pop my heat. This ain't no buzz down, this is a plain Jane young nigga walking with the AP. All we do is walk down, yeah, straight walk down, hit up on here, we gon' leave in the season. How about the boss like 6 deep? Who won't smoking no bitch in me? Say he spent on 8